At dawn, three lion siblings rested under an acacia tree. Kito, the eldest, lay with his head on his paws, watching the horizon. Jengo, calm and thoughtful, sat beside him, while Malaika, the youngest, sprawled on his back, flicking his tail as he watched the sky. The savannah was peaceful, but tension lingered in the air. As days passed, the once green grass turned brown and waterholes dried up. Kito remained watchful, scanning the horizon for prey. Jengo shared his unease, while Malaika's curiosity grew with the changing landscape. One day, Malaika spotted a distant shimmer, a dry waterhole. Without thinking, he dashed off to explore. Kito didn't notice at first, but Jengo did. Alarmed, they jumped up and chased after him, worry gnawing at Kito. Malaika reached the waterhole and found a lion from a rival pride. The larger lion growled, advancing on him. Just then, Kito and Jengo arrived. Kito growled fiercely, placing himself between Malaika and the threat, while Jengo circled to distract the rival lion. The rival hesitated and slowly retreated, intimidated by the brothers' unity. As the sun set, the three lions walked back together, stronger and more united, ready to face whatever came next.